What is going on, guys? Key here. Welcome back to another episode of Kees Cars. Today I am inspired to take a look at Chris Fix's 24 Hours of Lemons 3 Series. Let's do this.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the design. It looks like Chris Fix has been challenged by eBay Motors to tackle the 24 Hours of Lemons. And I'll tell you this, I'm a huge fan of Chris Fix. He's one of my inspirations, one of the reasons I started this channel, and I'm also a huge fan of the 24 Hours of Lemons. And at the end of Chris's video, he put out a challenge.
And finally, if you want to create a livery for this car, here's a side profile. Every team in Lemons has a theme, so we need a cool theme for this car. Let me know what you got.
I thought it would be super cool to make a video about this. I don't know if you'll ever see it, but man, I'm gonna have a lot of fun doing this. So let's go. So what I want to do is start off with the base colors here, and I noticed in the video he's got their race suits and their helmets, and it's gray and black, and I can't imagine having a Chris Fix car without seeing that white helmet. So what I want to do is I want to take the front half of the car and I want to paint it white. The white is going to symbolize the iconic Chris Fix helmet that we all see him in, that we all know and love, that we know his channel by. And the next thing I want to do is that I noticed his crew seems like a really awesome group of guys, and they all seem to have some connection to BMW in some way. So I want to take the M colors, the light blue, the dark blue, and the red, and I want to do that as a breakup stripe in the middle of the car. And then I have to reference Chris Fix's go-to tool, Soapy Wooder. I gotta put some Soapy Wooder in there. So the back half of the car, I actually want to do it in a blue that's really reminiscent of his Soapy Wooder logo, his Soapy Wooder label, and then we'll do some other fun stuff with that as well. All right, so I want to move back to the front half of the car with that white. I want to do that nice pure white, but I want to put kind of like a large caricature version of his helmet on the entire front end of the car. So I'm gonna try to mock up the visor part in a dark black, dark gray overlay on the entire front end of the car. Then, to complete the Soapy Wooder, we've got to add some bubbles, right? Just a few graphic bubbles on the back end of the car, kind of swooping over that back fender, over the rear wheels. I think it would be awesome, and it would be super iconic for the race. And it looks like Chris landed a sponsorship from Koenig, repping those Koenig countergrams, so we've got to add those wheels on there. gonna go ahead and throw a race net in that front window. And then of course, I want to add the sponsors on the side. So we're going to put the eBay Motors logo, the Koenig logo, the Stable Motorsports logo on the back end of that car in that nice blank space. And then to finish off the caricature front end of Chris Fix's iconic helmet, I'm going to slap Chris Fix's logo right there on the bottom in basically the same spot it is on his actual helmet. And finally, I've got to add the garage door trim lip kit because eBay.
It's keyed along the entire side. Look at the size of that dent right there. Keyed along the entire side.
That's right, Chris, man. I didn't know you were a fan. This car has officially been keyed. There it is, guys. This is my idea, my render of what Chris Fix and his team could do for their livery on their 3 Series for the 24 hours of Lemons. I don't know that Chris is ever going to see this video. I'm definitely going to message him, but man, it'd be awesome if he saw it. You guys got to let me know what you think. I love Chris Fix's work. If you don't know about Chris Fix's channel, you've got to check him out. He's got content going back for years on DIY and how to take care of your car, how to build a car on a budget. And I've loved his content. As I said, he's a huge inspiration to me. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a blast doing this video. So if you did, please like it, comment, subscribe, share the video, you know, all the YouTube stuff. I'm gonna try to get myself on a schedule here as well. As you know, starting out a channel, like just about everybody else, I have a couple of normal jobs. I work a couple of other jobs, and so I'm trying to work in making the videos and doing the content in between, you know, it's providing for my family. But, you know, I'm gonna try to upload on Mondays and Fridays going forward. I've got some exciting videos coming up, some cool stuff that I've been doing with some photography at the dealerships. And so I really hope that I can count on you guys to come along for the ride. Other than that, man, I hope you all take care, and we will see you in the next video. My name is Key, and I photograph and Photoshop cars, and I'm on the hunt for a car that I can call my own. If you like car design and dreaming of how you can make any car unique, you're in the right place. So I hope you enjoy the content.